Valentine's Day. Don't be sad, Prince. True love will find you in the end. Look, there's Snow White. But she seems odd. Ooh, Prince fell in love. Mirror, mirror, who is the most handsome prince of this kingdom? May he have the pleasure of this dance? What? Snow White is acting so weird today. Don't give up, Prince. Why don't you try with some Valentine's Day presents? Oh, those are gorgeous. She didn't seem to like them as much. You're so romantic. No, come on, Snow White. The card is not a dustpan. Don't lose hope, Prince. Aww, you look so cute, Beast.